nothing to do that anymore. In fact, First Lady Imelda Marcos told me also that he made some way so that Senator Aquino, our hero, won't be executed by the military commission.
I personally know that you have been working on this case for a very long time, and you have been wanting to reopen or have the prisoners released. But people are wondering why now, a few years or just over a year before the President Gloria Arroyo steps down from office in 2010, the timing, why now? Is it vendetta? Would it have made a difference if former President Cory Aquino did not stand out and call for the resignation of the sitting president?
It's my opinion that this is not a political vendetta. Maybe President Arroyo just did her job under the Constitution, because I know she has also a conscience. All these soldiers are suffering from multiple diseases. In fact, Sergeant Marlon Saga suffered from stroke last year. He died in February of 2008. And Sergeant Cordova Estela was stabbed to death in the New Year's Eve of 2006. And Brigadier General Leonard Custodio suffered from cardiac arrest. So it's about time, under the rules, that if the accused are already ill and suffering from multiple diseases, out of humanitarian considerations, they could be released on clemency. And way back 1996, all these soldiers are qualified for clemency and commutation of sentence.
And if you were to address those quotes from Chris Aquino in that interview, of course it was mainly on an emotional level. How would you, if you were to write her a letter, what would you say?
I understand the feeling of Ms. Chris Aquino. She is a loving daughter, as well as Senator Noynoy. In fact, I am very sympathetic with them. That's why I'm working hard, sleepless nights, to bring justice to our hero, Senator Aquino. I lost my scholarship in Ateneo because of the rallies that I've joined before EDSA 1. I was then with Senator Boots Aquino then walking along EDSA to Malacanang, because I know the feeling we hated Mats Marcos, because we were told that it's Marcos. That's why our hero was killed. So, but when I was able to finish and terminate all the studies, the analysis of the forensic experts of the UP, the testimony of Rodan Cantimbuhan, the SWAT bomb driver linking to Galman and linking to some other people, I cried. I said I will say sorry to President Marcos, because he should not be blamed behind this assassination.
What are the chances that we'll get to reopen the case and the truth be found out? My last question.
There's a big chance, because there's a standing warrant of arrest now against Captain Felipe Balay. Our motion to issue Elis warrant of arrest was granted by the Sandigan Bayan way back November 11, 2005. The case is still alive at the Sandigan Bayan, contrary to what the Supreme Court then had ruled, that the case is prescribed, the case is forgotten, no more reopening, and yet the case is still alive at the Sandigan Bayan. There's an order of arrest, there's an order of extradition against Balay to be conducted by our Department of Justice. So I was then so happy yesterday, because President Arroyo told everyone, the Filipino people, that she is ordering the DOJ to extradite Balay from America.
So this document proves that this case is alive, and you simply have to pursue it.
I think the ombudsman prosecutor should pursue this, because as a public defender, I'm not a prosecutor, but we can assist and help and coordinate with the ombudsman prosecutors so that this case can be openly tried, present the forensics, present the alive witnesses, and also give justice to our hero, Senator Noynoy Aquino.
Well, thank you very much. Eloquent and articulate and thorough as usual. Maraming salamat. Attorney Percida Acosta, Chief Legal Counsel for the released convicts in the Aquino-Galman double murder case and Chief of the Public Attorney's Office. Marami pong salamat. Now, sentiments of the members of the Aquino family, we revisit with a more complete interview with Ms. Chris Aquino from last week, next on Korina Today.